Hi children, all of you take out your workbook page number 12, third class, workbook page number 12, EVS subject, our village lesson. Okay, today now we will start writing our workbook. Already we completed watching animation of this lesson and explanation of this lesson, everything we completed. Now, today we will write this lesson workbook. Okay, so our village, the page number 12 in workbook. See in the page number 12, first one. Observe the family tree carefully. How are the family members related to each other? One is done for you. Okay children, what we have to do means already they had given few pictures, and for that names also they had given, and they had drawn this flow chart. So by looking at this flow chart, we have to say the relations of their family members. We have to say the relations. Who is what is the relation of this person to that person? What is the relation from this person to that person? We have to identify and say them, and we have to write here down. See, the first one already they had written. Lakshmi to Radha is a mother. Like that, all this we have to complete. If you see here, Lakshmi and Venkat. Lakshmi and Venkata. Lakshmi, Venkat. They are the grandmother and the grandfather. Yes or no? How we can say their grandfather and grandmother means based on their hair, white hair they had given, so they were the top of the family. So by that we can say they are as a Lakshmi and Venkat are the grandfather and grandmother. And from there we had seen Radha and Venu. From there we had seen Radha and Venu. From there we had seen Radha and Venu. Okay. This Radha got married with Seshu. This Radha got married with Seshu. So now Seshu and Radha are both a wife and husband. Now here this side Venu got married with Devi. So Venu got married with Devi. So here these two were wife and husbands there. Yes or no? Yes. After that, for these Seshu and Radha, they had got 3 children here. 3 children. What are the children names? Chandu. The first one is a Chandu, Indu and Bindu. Chandu, Indu and Bindu. These are the children of Seshu and Radha. Now Venu and Devi's children. Sagar. These are also having 3 children. The first child is a Sagar. Second children is a Amar. And the third child is a Veena. Okay. So this is the family diagram here. Family tree here. Lakshmi and Venkat, they are having Radha and Venu, son and daughter. This son and daughter, they got married with different people. Radha's husband is Seshu and Venu's wife is Devi. And they got children. This Radha and Seshu also, they got 3 children, and this side Venu and Devi also got 3 children. What are these children names? Chandu, Indu and Bindu are the children of this Seshu and Radha. And Sagar, Amar, Veena are the children of this Venu and Devi. So now we understood who are who. So now based on this, by looking at this, we have to fill their question answers. First one they had already written. Lakshmi to Radha. Lakshmi to Radha. See, where is the Lakshmi? This Lakshmi to Radha. Lakshmi Radha came out only. For this Radha, who is Lakshmi? Radha's mother is the Lakshmi. Yes or no? So the first answer is a mother. Already they had given for us. They only wrote the answer there. Yes or no? Yes. Next, the second one. Indu to Veena. Indu to Veena. Okay, children. The first one already they had written mother. Now the second one. Indu to Veena. Where is the Indu here? Indu to Veena. Indu to Veena. Indu ki Veena ఏమవుతుంది? Okay, so Radha and Venu, they are brothers and sisters. So brother of mother is uncle. Uncle's daughter is cousin. Yes or no? So the second one is a cousin. Okay, the second one is a cousin. And the next, the third one. And the third one, Devi to Indu. See, there is a Devi here. This is a Devi here. And Indu. Devi to Indu. Devi, Indu ki em avutundi. What is the relation of Devi to Indu? So, Devi to Indu is a Devi. For this Indu will become a aunt. Uncle's wife is a aunt. Yes or no? Yes. So, next fourth one. Seshu to Chendu. Who is a Seshu here? Seshu. Who is a Chendu? Chendu here. Seshu to Chendu is a father. Okay, their children only know here. So Seshu to Chendu is a father. The fourth one answer is a father. Okay, children. Next, fifth one. Indu to Bindu. Indu and Bindu, both they were sisters. Sister. And the sixth one. Sagar to Veena. Sagar, Veena came out. What's the relation between this Sagar and Veena? They were the brothers and sisters. Yes or no? So, Sagar to Veena is a brother. Okay, children, sixth one. After seventh one. Seshu to Amar. This is Seshu to Amar. Seshu is a uncle to Amar. Yes or no? Yes, uncle. Next, eighth one. Venkat to Chendu. This Venkat to Chendu. What is the relation between this Venkat to Chendu? Venkat is a grandfather to Chendu. Yes, grandfather. And next, the ninth one. Venu to Devi. Venu to Devi. Venu Devi came out the. What is the relation of this Venu and Devi? They were wife and husbands. So this Venu will become the husband to this Devi. Husband, husband. Okay, children. Next, 10th one. Lakshmi to Sagar. Who is a Lakshmi here? Lakshmi is a grandmother. Yes or no? Lakshmi is a grandmother. And where is the Sagar here? Sagar. So for this Sagar, this Lakshmi is a grandmother. G-R-A-N-D, grand. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, grandmother. Okay, children. Next, 11th one. Amar to Venkat. Amar Venkat came out the room. Amar Venkat ki, he will become a grandson. Manamadu kada. So, grandson. And the 12th one. Radha to Seshu. This Radha to Seshu. Radha Seshu came out to me. She is the wife to Seshu. Yes or no? Wife. W-I-F-E. Wife. Okay, children. So this is the relations among all these. Lakshmi, Venkat, Seshu, Radha, Venu, Devi, Chandu, Indu, Bindu, Sagar, Amma, Veena. So these are the relations. Mother, cousin, aunt, father, sister, brother, uncle, grandfather, husband, grandmother, grandson and wife. Okay, children. All of you note it down in your book carefully. Okay, children. After completing this, see the next page. I am erasing all this. Take out the next page in your workbook, same workbook only. Next page. Page number 13. Now 12th page completed. Now page number 13. See, a family spends income. Its income as shown in the figure below. Put their properties in order by numbering them. So what they had given here, they had given one flow chart. One flow chart they had given. and they had given the names also: food, education, clothes, health. Which part is taking more space will become the first one priority. They are giving the first priority for that one. Second space, third space, and fourth space. Like that we has to given the numbering there. So one family is there. So first one, food, clothes, education, food, health. For clothes, look in this picture, children. First what you will do means, food they had given like this. They had one flow chart is there, no? So this is the food. Yes or no? And this is the education. This is the clothes. And this is the health. Yes or no? Here which part is taking more space? For which they were giving more priority means for food. Food it is taking more space in this circle. Yes or no? So keep here 1. For this one. And after this, food after, health, clothes, education. Which one is taking more space there means education. For studies. You also give numberings there. Okay children. Second one. And third picture. Third one you see. Food, education. And which one is a clothes or health? Which one is taking more part there? So the third one is the clothes. Okay. Next coming to the fourth one. At least they are giving the fourth priority to this health. So this family is giving first priority this food. Second one education. The third one is the clothes. And the fourth one is the health. So already they had given their names. They had given the circles. So what we must do means for clothes. Second one education. Third one food. And fourth one health. We have to give the numberings here. Already we had given here numberings now. For clothes, which priority they were giving? Priority number 3. Okay. Education. Education number 2. Food. Food number 1. And health. Health is the 4. Okay children, did you understand how we wrote this one? Yes. Okay. Okay children, after completing this, in the same page only, we are having here, explain the functions of the following public institutions in your village briefly. They had given few names there. We had learnt already what is the post office, what is the panchayat office, bank, health center, school, veterinary hospital. Okay children. So for all this we have to write the answers here. They had given the 2 lines also there. So in that lines with given finger gap, we have to maintain good handwriting and we have to fill all these answers. Okay children. Now the first one, post office. The first one is the post office. In that line you write neatly and carefully. Post office is used to send and receive letters. Yes or no? Post office is used to send and receive the letters. And not only for this, it is also used to buy stamps and to save money. So many things we can write. But here we are not having more space to write all those. So we are writing only one point. That is, post office is used to send and receive letters. Okay children, write neatly. And the second one. What is the second one? Then panchayat office. Which panchayat office we are having? We are having Gram Panchayat office. What is the function of this Gram Panchayat office? Yes, we'll write now that one. Gram Panchayat office. Okay, then Gram Panchayat office look after all the services . village. Yes or no? Who takes care of our village? Gram Panchayat only will take care of all the Gram Panchayat office look after all the services of your village. మన ఊరికి ఏది కావాలన్నా వాట్ ఎవర్ we need for a village, it comes from this Panchayat office only. This Panchayat office only has to take care of all the services in a village. And there will be a one person. That person we call it as a Sarpanch. And that Sarpanch is the head of our village. Okay children, this is the second answer. And the third one. What's the third one there? Bank. Bank. Why we will use bank? Do you know bank? Yes, bank. Bank is used to. Why we are using bank? We are using the bank to keep our money safe. Yes or no? To keep our money safe. And not only keeping our money safe there, it also provides us the loans. We can take the loans from a bank. Yes or no? Already we had studied in our course book. We had learned everything about this bank. It gives us a loan also, and we have to pay it back. Okay, this is the bank. After completing this, children, next fourth one. Fourth one is the health center. After completing this, I am erasing this one. 3 we completed. Post office. What's the first one? Post office used to send and receive the letters. Second one, Gram Panchayat office. Gram Panchayat office look after all the services of your village. And the third, bank. Bank is used to keep our money safe. Okay. Note it down carefully in your in your workbooks without any spelling mistakes. Next, fourth one, health center. What is the fourth one? Health center. Health center create health center creates awareness. NESS. Awareness of health. Awareness on health. Health and hygiene among the villages. What is this health center? Health center creates an awareness on health and hygiene among the villages. How we have to survive in our village, how we have to be, how much clean we have to be, everything we will come to know from these health centers only. In these health centers we are having one doctor and a nurse. Yes or no? Yes, that also we had learned in our course book. This is the health center. Health center creates awareness on health and hygiene among the villages. Next one, school. Fifth one, school. School in the villages. School in the villages provides education up to 5th class. Yes or no? Yes, in the villages we are having only primary schools. The primary schools means up to which class? Up to 5th class we call it as a primary schools. So, schools in the villages provides education up to 5th class. Okay children, here provides spelling is a, wait I'll write clearly here, provides. P-R-O-V-I-D-E-S, provides education up to 5th class. For higher sections we have to go to the high schools. It is located in other villages or nearby towns. Okay children. So after completing this 5th one, 6th one is a veterinary hospitals. Veterinary hospital. Veterinary hospital takes care of care, takes care of all the cattle in villages. Veterinary hospital is nothing but the hospital of animals. This veterinary hospital take care of all the animals, all the cattle in your villages. Okay, children. So, 4th, 5th and 6th also we completed writing. Yes, children. So, all of you write carefully with giving finger gap, children. Write neatly, maintain good handwriting. So, now we completed page number 12 and 13. Next, coming to the 14th page. Next, coming to the 14th page, children. I am erasing all these. Page number 14. What is there in this page number 14? A village map is shown here. Observe the map and complete the sentences. Here they had given this village map. This is a one village. In this village we are having all these post office, church, milk plant, cattle here, school, masjid, bus stop, panchayat office, hospital, my house, temple, pond, water tank, bank, tree, everything is there. And here above this picture we are having the directions also. East, west and north, south directions. Okay, based on this map we have to complete all these. Fill in the blanks. Okay, children. So, if you see here, first one. My house is dash to the panchayat office. See, children, already we had learned about the directions, everything. How we has to identify the direction and how we has to explain the directions to another person. Everything we had learned in our lesson. So, based on this, we has to complete this fill in the blanks now. The first one. My house is my house is dash of the panchayat office. See, here my house is there and panchayat office is here. So, where is my house? My house is in front of this panchayat office. In front means what we have to do means opposite. Opposite. So, here options are also given there. So, based on these clues, we have to write the answers. So, the first one is the opposite. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. Opposite. And the second one. The bank is dashed to the school. Where is the bank and the school? The bank is here and the school is here. So, opposite school, tree, panchayat, temple, corner, south, northeast, bus stop, pond. So, among all this opposite already we completed here. And school ki, the bank is dashed to the school. School ki, which side undi? Which side of this school the bank is located? Which side? So, upper this is the north side and down this is the south. Already we know this is the east, west, north, south. So, here the school is there and here the bank is there. So, which direction this bank is located? This bank is located in a south direction. The bank is located in a south direction. Next, the third one. The hospital is beside the dash office. Where is this hospital here? We have to. The hospital is beside the dash office. Where is the hospital, children, here? Yes, the hospital is here. And which office is here? Beside this, which office is there? Panchayat office is there. So the answer is a Panchayat. Panchayat office. Next, the fourth one. There is a big dash near the bank. Near the bank, what we are having? We are having a big tree. So the answer is a big tree. Okay, children. Next, fifth one. There is a mosque beside the dash. See here, masjid is there, mosque. So, beside this mosque, what we are having here? We are having a school. So the answer is a school. And the sixth one. A water tank is built near the dash. A water tank is built near the dash. What we are having? A water tank is built near the dash. The water tank is here. This water tank is near this. What is this? Pond. So near the pond. Next is 7th one. The dash is located at the center of the village. See, this is the village map, no? Among all these, which is located in the center of this village? Which is located in the center of the village? So this is the center of the village, no? Yes. So what is this one? What is this place called? This place is called a bus stop. So the bus stop is the center of the village. So what we have to write, the 7th answer is the bus stop. Next, 8th one. The cows and sheep graze is in the dash of the corner of our village. See, which side? This cow and cattle graze is there, no? These cows and sheep graze in the dash of the corner of our village. Which corner we are having in this last corner? We are having in this last corner. This is the village. Yes or no? Like this we are having. We are having in this corner. So if you write the directions, this is the east, west, this is the north and south. Okay children, so which side is this direction? So this is the northeast direction. So the answer is the northeast direction. Northeast direction. Okay children. Next the 9th one. Next the 9th one. The post office is in the dash of the church street and the hospital lane. The post office. Where is the post office here? Post office. Can you see in the post office here in the first picture only? In this first picture only we are having the post office. The post office is in the dash of the church street of the hospital lane. Hospital lane. Hospital lane means this line is the hospital lane line. So for this lane, this is the corner. This is the corner. So the post office is located in the corner of the hospital lane. And next one, 10th one. To reach the school from my house, I should walk through the which street? To reach the school from my house, this is my house. And where is the school here? Here is the school. So which lane I have to walk? If I start from here, hospital, I have to go through the Temple Street. Yes or no? So the answer will become the Temple Street. Through the Temple Street we have to walk. Okay children, so this is the class for today children. This next one will continue in this next class. Okay children. So all of you write all this clearly in your workbook. So if you complete writing in your workbooks and start reading also this lesson. Okay children. Thank you children.